Hello, welcome to speaking test 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Ruby.
Hello, Ruby. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. Wonderful. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Good to know. What food do you like?
I like spaghetti.
And what animals do you like?
I like cats.
Cats. And lastly, what fruits do you like?
I like apple.
Apples. Now, eyes on the screen and tell me, what is it?
It's a hamster.
It's a hamster. What is it?
It's a goldfish.
Is it a dog?
No,
No, it is.
it isn't.
What is it?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Very good. What is it?
It's a turtle.
It's a turtle. Is it a monkey?
No, it isn't.
What is it?
It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. What do you have?
I have rice.
I have rice. What do you have?
I like carrots.
I have carrots. What do you have?
I like grapes.
Alright. And what fruits do you like?
I like kiwis.
Do you like oranges?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. And what fruits do you like?
I like cherry.
Cherries.
Cherries.
Good. And what is it?
It's a pineapple.
Do you like mangoes?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Good. Yes, you do. What says
Cookie.
cookies? Good. What says
Cake.
cake? Do.
The beer.
Deer. Good. Do.
The dog.
Door. Very good. And tell me, what command is this?
It's the rabbit.
Pet the rabbit.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close the door.
Close the door. And this one? Put
Put down the hamster.
the hamster. And teacher Red has got a big picture here. Tell me, what animal is it?
It's a lion.
It's a lion. Do you like it?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. What animal is it?
It's a zebra.
It's a zebra. What colors is it?
It's a rice.
It's black and
Rice.
white. Say white.
Rice.
Okay. And what animal is it?
It's a tiger.
It's a tiger. What colors is it? It's all
Orange.
and
And
brown.
brown.
Do you like it? Do you like tigers?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. And what animal is it?
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. How many rabbits do you see?
2 rabbits.
Alright. And what animal is it?
It's a elephant.
It's an elephant. Is it big or small?
Big.
Big. Good. And what fruit do you see? I see.
I see apples.
What fruit do you see?
I see strawberries.
Alright. How many apples do you see? 1.
4 apples.
There are 4 apples. And what fruits do you like? I
I like
do you see? I see.
I see spaghetti.
This one.
I see bread.
And lastly,
I see chicken.
and what food do you like?
I like chicken.
Alright, I like chicken. And that concludes our school test. Ruby, goodbye.